It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 23rd of November. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather and near normal temperatures for the next several days here across the southwest states. But by the middle and latter portions of next week, a change toward cooler and unsettled conditions with maybe even the chance of some rain coming in here. We'll talk about it as we first check out the almanac from yesterday. For your Thanksgiving Day, it was 67 degrees for our high, 54 the low. That occurred at 11:35 p.m. And outside right now, partly cloudy skies, and we begin this day here at 8 o'clock at 52 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 45, humidity 76%. The winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 39, the cool spot at Goldfield, 42 in Buckeye. Most of us, though, are in the mid-40s to low 50s. Around the nation, it's still really bitterly cold in parts of the Northeast. Temperatures in the single digits and teens. Couple of spots even below zero this morning in parts of upstate New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. The upper air look, the trough that came through here yesterday, bringing all the clouds and even a little bit of rain and snow to northern Arizona, that's now moved off into the plain states, leaving us under a dry northwesterly flow. The watch warning map, winter weather advisories, parts of North Carolina and the Virginias, that's kind of the light blue. Then the steel blue that you see there, those are winter storm watches, and those are out across the plains. And yes, we have plenty of winter weather conditions out here in the west as well. The green, that would be flash flood watches, and those tans, those are high wind warnings. We have those out here in the west as well. The convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. A little bit of thunder, parts of the Gulf Coast and the southeast U.S. Rainfall for the next 7 days around here could be just a little bit of light precip late next week here across much of western and central Arizona. We'll get into the details of that and everything else with our weather now as we check out the models. Here it is, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. Generally dry west to northwest flow here today. So down at the surface, we'll call it partly sunny. Highs this afternoon in the upper 60s and low 70s. Should be a nice day. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows in the mid 40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, we'll see some shortwave energy continue to move through the interior west. But the only sensible impact that's going to have on us is to hold temperatures in check. So tomorrow, partly cloudy, highs upper 60s and low 70s. And mostly sunny on Sunday with upper 60s and low 70s. Monday, we'll start to see a ridge try to build in here across the southwest, but with continued shortwave energy and negative height anomalies north of Arizona, we'll continue to see more of the same. Maybe temperatures rise a degree or two. So we'll say low 70s for Monday with mostly sunny skies, and same thing on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we've got a fairly deep low approaching the California coast. Partly cloudy skies will prevail around here with high temperatures in the low, maybe even middle 70s. Thursday, that system begins to move onshore. We'll see rain and mountain snows coming into much of the western United States, California, into the Great Basin. We should stay dry here on Thursday, I believe, but increasing clouds out ahead of this system, maybe some breezes picking up as well, and high temperatures remain in the low 70s. Here's a week from today. This is Friday the 30th. Now that system comes on through here, so an unsettled day potentially. This is still a week out. Obviously, timing and intensity issues likely to get adjusted ever so slightly, but pretty good model consistency in this idea. So we'll call for a chance of rain out here toward next Friday. High temperatures cooling off too. Should be down in the mid 60s likely. Here's Saturday, the 1st of December. It's the start of meteorological winter. A very cold system moving through the west, north of Arizona. And so a few showers could be around here. I think the better chances of precipitation will be to our north, though. High temperatures would be below average. We'd probably be in the mid 60s if this is correct, maybe even cooler than that. And then this is the end of the forecast period. Sunday, the 2nd of December, that looks cool and rather dry with temperatures below average. It'll actually feel a little bit wintry around here, at least by our standards. And let's check out the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. You see, as we get out there toward the end of the month and into early December, temperatures trend down into the 60s. Lows in the 40s looks pretty good. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Be safe out there. Have yourselves a fantastic weekend. And here is your forecast.